Hi, this is Angie Meeker from MyNameIsAngie.com, and thanks for hanging in there with me during this multi-part video series on how to create your own easy website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the image that is at the top of this default theme for WordPress. WordPress comes with access to hundreds of themes for your site, but in this particular video, let's just stay with this theme for simplicity's sake, and I'll show you where to go and find some more themes as well. But let's just say that you're going to stay with this theme, but you don't want this beautiful tree-lined walk through the woods as your header in your site. So we're logged into our site, and we're going to click on Appearance, and then click on Header. You can see it comes with several other headers that you could use for your site if those happen to make sense for you. But you can also choose an image from your computer. It tells you what the width and the height of the header image is. If you choose an image that's larger than that, then you will have to crop it down. So let's go ahead and do this, and let's just pick this bakery photo. I don't exactly know what the dimensions of that photo are, so let's just see, and I'll show you what happens if your photo is not quite large enough. So if you see, what your WordPress installation is doing is it's giving you the chance to crop your photo and tell your header exactly what part of this photo you would like to use. So you can just move up and down. You can move it sideways if you need to. Just make it larger. I'm just going to go ahead and crop and publish, and then we'll come back to our website and refresh it, and you can see this header will have changed to the part of that image that we wanted to use. So imagine if you created an image here that was very specific to your business, almost like a banner for your business, then that's what you could upload there. But this is also perfectly acceptable. For instance, if you're a bakery, it could make a lot of sense to have a bakery photo there. If it's a family website, then you could have a picture of your family there. Whatever makes sense for you, you can upload that image there. You can choose to remove the image and also restore the original image if you need to do that. So then let's move on to this area called the sidebar that has right now recent posts, recent comments, archive. You can take those individual areas out and add other areas by going to Appearance and then clicking on Widgets. And widgets are exactly what I said. They're little widgets that have each one of these areas, recent posts, comments, that sort of thing. And you can remove those as simply as just dragging them out. You can add a new one, let's say links. You can add the links that you have created on your site just by dragging it in. A lot of them have options, and so what you want to do is expand it and look at the options. Do you want to show all the links or just the category of blog role? Do you want to show the link description? Again, in my WordPress tutorials, you'll find some examples of what exactly these different widgets are and what they can do for you. But again, you can just drag them out. Don't be afraid. You're not going to break your site. If you play with those, it's not going to crash your website or anything like that. This is meant for users who don't know code and things like that to be able to create their website just the way that they want. Now, in a lot of themes, and in this default theme that comes installed with WordPress, you have multiple widget areas. Now, this area in this theme is called the primary widget area, but if you scroll down a little bit, you see that there's a second widget area. You can just drag something into that one. We'll just try to put something in each one of these before time runs out in this video. We might not have enough time, but you get the picture. You can just add stuff in here to each one of those, click Save, and then come back and refresh your site, and you'll begin to see where all of those individual widget areas are on your site. There are some in the footer. There's another one here in this theme, so play with it. Don't be afraid to go in and play with your website. So that's it as far as adding more content to your site and changing that header on your site as well. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to just tidy some things up, like adding that user that I mentioned and deleting that admin user. And then after that, you'll be on your way using your new easy website. So again, this is Angie from MyNameIsAngie.com.